back with a brand new video. So today I'm gonna show you how to get Facecam on your videos. So to get the Facecam, you will be needing a few things. It's only two, but I guess you guys will commonly have this: an iPad, an iPhone, or something that you can screen record on. There, and a different phone. So you'll need a different phone while you're recording. Now you need to set it at such an angle that they can see you playing the game while you're screen recording. So let me show you the angle in the next. So guys, this is the angle that you can keep on your Facecam. Now I would suggest you, if you don't forget, to keep your microphone off. That way, only your audio comes from the recording. So that is how it's done. Okay, now we will move on to how to get it done in editing. Now, let me show you how to do it, how to get the Facecam in the editing. So we are going to have two methods for this, one for KineMaster and one for Video Leap. Okay, let's start with Video Leap. Let's click the plus. And now I have this, suppose like this Roblox video. This stuff of me playing some classic old Roblox. That's it. Well, okay. Now to get the Facecam, we click the mixer icon, and you can use this anyway, but for demonstration purposes, I'm using a picture. Click it, and then you will see this. Now I want you to use two fingers, drag and drop, and place it wherever you like. So I like it in a corner, like on this corner. Put it up there, and as you can see, it will keep on just going until you extend it. Make sure it is as long as your video is. So that's our method for Video Leap. Let's get on with KineMaster. Okay, for KineMaster, I am going to be using same footage, but it's going to be a bit different because KineMaster has a different interface. Let's open KineMaster, and I don't have KineMaster Premium. Let's click the plus, and I want it, let's say 16:9 aspect ratio. You have this interface. Start by clicking media, click all, and find the video you want. So I want this of me playing Roblox. Click it, the correct. Now we have this video of me playing Roblox. Now how do we get the Facecam? That's the real question. We click the layer button, we click media, and we click all, and I am going to be using the photo I have used like always. It should be here, there, like this. I'm using some basic video I found, and I am placing it. You can just size it and then put it away. That is how you can size it and make sure it's like that. So that is how you get Facecam on both two apps. So this, because Video Leap is not supported for Android, it is supported. KineMaster is supported. So if you are using an Android device, feel free to use KineMaster. There's no bad thing. Okay, so let's move on to the outro. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's the first video in a long time, ain't it? But sadly, that will be all for today. I will see you. Goodbye. I'll see you this weekend. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you like my work. And if you want to send this to someone who likes stuff, who wants to know, please feel free to send it. And make sure they subscribe to me also, if they like my work, of course. So that will be it for this video. Bye-bye.